What would you do if you found yourself facing uncertain economic times? The reality is, many of us are navigating through tough financial moments, and it can feel like you're stuck between managing your current needs and planning for the future. What if I told you there are smart ways to protect and even grow your money without feeling stressed? In today's video, we're diving into 8 smart money moves you should make during economic uncertainty. Whether you're concerned about job security, inflation, or unexpected expenses, these moves will help you stay financially strong, secure, and even positioned for growth. Ready to make your financial future brighter? Let's jump in. 1. Get a holistic view of your money. When facing uncertain economic times, it's crucial to know exactly where you stand financially. You might think you have a clear idea of your finances, but taking a deeper look can sometimes reveal surprising facts. By making a list of all your accounts and noting their balances, you can get a comprehensive view of your money. This includes not only your checking and savings accounts, but also your investment accounts, credit cards, and any debts or loans you might have. It's helpful to track your assets and liabilities to understand how much you truly owe and own. Apps like Personal Capital can simplify this process by linking all your accounts into one secure dashboard, allowing you to monitor your finances more efficiently. This tool gives you an easy way to keep track of everything from your assets to your debts, helping you make better financial decisions and feel more in control. Taking this first step allows you to identify areas where you can potentially improve. You might realize you're over-leveraged in debt, or perhaps not investing as much as you should be. By having all of this information in one place, you're already ahead in making smarter choices with your money during uncertain times. 2. Evaluate all your bills. Bills can be one of the biggest drains on your finances, especially when times are uncertain. It's important to take a moment and really assess what you're paying for each month. Consider taking a detailed look at your regular expenses, like your mortgage, utilities, insurance premiums, and car payments. These bills are fixed, and understanding their total cost helps you prioritize where to allocate your money. Once you have a complete picture, compare it to your income to see if there are areas where you can cut back. You may find that you're spending more on services or subscriptions you don't need or use. For example, if you're paying for streaming services you rarely watch, now might be a good time to cancel them. Tracking your bills is not just about trimming costs. It's about making sure that the money you do spend is aligned with your needs and goals. By reducing unnecessary bills and redirecting that money toward your savings or investments, you can strengthen your financial position. Even if your income stays the same, these small adjustments can make a big difference in the long run, especially when unexpected expenses arise. 3. Consider creating a budget. If you don't already have a budget, now is the time to create one. A budget helps you understand your cash flow, where your money is coming from and where it's going. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to stay financially stable, especially during times of economic uncertainty. It can be tempting to skip this step, thinking that your income and expenses are simple enough to track without a formal system, but a budget offers a clear roadmap to financial success. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Start by looking at your monthly income and fixed expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities. Once you know how much you're spending, set aside a portion for savings, and even some for fun. The key here is balance. You need to live within your means while also preparing for future uncertainties. In times of economic instability, building an emergency fund is especially important. Aim to set aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Having this financial cushion will give you peace of mind, knowing you're prepared if unexpected situations arise. By following a structured budget, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial security. 4. Find places you can cut back. Where can you cut back? It's a question worth asking during uncertain times, as small changes can lead to big savings. Take a hard look at your lifestyle and spending habits. Are there areas where you're overspending? You might find that cutting back on small luxuries, like dining out frequently or buying coffee every day, can save you quite a bit in the long run. Consider switching to more cost-effective alternatives without sacrificing quality of life. If you're not driving as much due to lockdowns or remote work, for instance, consider reducing your car insurance or pausing unused gym memberships. Subscriptions are another area where people often overspend. Whether it's a magazine subscription or a streaming service, take a moment to evaluate which ones you use regularly and cancel those that aren't essential. Cutting back doesn't have to feel like a sacrifice. It's about prioritizing your needs while keeping your lifestyle comfortable. By eliminating unnecessary expenses, you can create more space in your budget for things that matter more, like saving for the future or paying off debt. 5. Consolidate accounts if necessary. If you're dealing with multiple bank accounts or credit cards, it might be time to consolidate them. Having too many accounts can make it difficult to track your spending, and it may also lead to unnecessary fees. Take the time to review all your accounts and ask yourself whether it makes sense to keep them open. Consolidating them into fewer accounts can save you money in fees and help you stay organized. For example, consider rolling over old retirement accounts into a single IRA or consolidating savings accounts to avoid maintaining multiple balances. Doing so can streamline your finances and make it easier to track your money. You can also potentially reduce fees and increase your interest rates by consolidating funds into a single account that offers better terms. Consolidation isn't just about simplifying your accounts. It can also provide opportunities to maximize your financial benefits. With fewer accounts to manage, you can ensure your money is working harder for you and avoid unnecessary clutter in your financial life. 6. Monitor your retirement outlook. Retirement may seem like a distant concern, but it's crucial to stay on top of it, especially during economic uncertainty. Have you checked how your retirement savings are doing? Are they growing according to plan, or have recent economic conditions affected your investments? Monitoring your retirement outlook is important to ensure that you're still on track to meet your long-term goals. During times of financial instability, it's normal to feel concerned about how market fluctuations will affect your retirement savings. That's why it's important to review your investment strategy regularly. If you're not sure how to do this, consider seeking advice from a financial planner who can help you adjust your strategy based on the current market conditions. Remember, your retirement savings are designed to grow over time, so it's important not to panic during short-term market volatility. By staying focused on your long-term goals and monitoring your portfolio, you can ensure that your retirement remains secure, even in uncertain times. 7. Make sure your portfolio still aligns with your goals. The next step is to assess your investment portfolio and make sure it aligns with your financial goals. Economic uncertainty can cause market swings, so it's important to check that your portfolio is properly balanced and still reflects your risk tolerance. Are your investments in line with your long-term objectives? It's worth taking a moment to evaluate your portfolio and make any necessary adjustments. This might include rebalancing your investments, shifting assets to more stable options, or diversifying into areas that better align with your goals. Some people choose to move into bonds or safer assets during economic downturns, while others may opt for growth stocks, depending on their risk appetite. Use tools like investment checkups to regularly review your asset allocation and ensure it matches your goals. By maintaining a balanced and diversified portfolio, you can navigate economic uncertainty with greater confidence. Rebalancing is a smart move to protect your wealth and ensure that your financial goals stay within reach. 8. Consider professional advice. In uncertain times, it can be tough to make the best decisions for your finances on your own. Seeking professional advice can be a game changer, especially if you're unsure about where to invest or how to adjust your financial strategy. A financial advisor can provide you with expert insights, tailored recommendations, and a clear plan to help you navigate uncertain economic conditions. When looking for professional advice, consider finding a fiduciary advisor, someone who is legally obligated to act in your best interests. These advisors can offer you personalized guidance and help you optimize your investments and savings for long-term success. Even if you have a good grasp of your finances, consulting with an advisor can provide peace of mind. They can help you make informed decisions and offer strategies that you may not have considered. A professional can be the support you need to feel confident about your financial future. By implementing these 8 smart money moves, you can protect yourself and your finances during uncertain times. Whether it's monitoring your spending, consolidating your accounts, or seeking professional advice, these moves will help you navigate economic uncertainty with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your finances and securing a bright future, no matter what the economy throws your way.